If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then we need to download a third-party app that allows us to block the mobile data for apps of our choice. So first of all, we're gonna go to the Play Store and let's search for an app. One of the apps that allow us to block the mobile data for apps is NetGuard. There are also other different apps that do the same thing. However, in this case, I'm just gonna use this one specifically. So you can use it as well in order to block the access for apps to mobile data usage. But of course, you can also feel free to try any other app if you manage to find something different. So in this case, we need to press that we agree. Over here, tap on this switcher in the top left corner in order to enable the NetGuard, and then press OK. After that, press OK again, and then one more time. And in the app battery usage, we can scroll down until we find the app, the NetGuard. There we go. And over here, tap on allow background usage, and then we need to set it to unrestricted. Let's go back. Now over here, tap on this red text in order to grant notification permissions for certain access. And that was of course listed over here at the top. So you can also read it before you actually decide to tap. But essentially now the app is running. Over here, let's just tap OK. And in order to block the mobile data access for a specific app, you need to simply tap on this icon over here, on this mobile data icon on the right side. So if you tap over here, then this app now has blocked access to mobile data. So I can only use this app with Wi-Fi. That is of course if the internet connection is required for the app. So you can tap one by one in order to decide which apps should be blocked from using the mobile data. Besides that, we can also tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner in order to go to settings. Then you can choose also defaults in order to immediately, by default, block mobile data access. So now with this option enabled, if we go back, as you can see, every app is automatically blocked. And then of course you can still decide one by one if the app should have access or not, but this definitely helps you block pretty much every app from using mobile data. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.